2.
Yeah.
So AI is just changing the way we edit our videos, and this video was edited using Runway.
Here is how it works. Go to Act 2. Upload your video. Change the character using an image, a video, or pick from character examples. You can also change the voice. Then generate the character.